Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an AC compressor on an Infiniti G35. First, always prioritize safety. Begin by disconnecting the negative terminal of your car's battery to prevent any electrical issues. Next, it's crucial to have the refrigerant professionally recovered from your AC system. This step ensures environmental responsibility and your safety. Remember to wear appropriate personal protective equipment, like safety glasses and gloves, throughout the entire process. Now, let's get to the compressor. Safely lift the front of your Infiniti G35 and secure it firmly on jack stands. This provides the necessary clearance to work underneath. You'll then need to remove the engine's splash shield and any other components that might be blocking your access to the AC compressor. Finally, locate the serpentine belt tensioner, loosen it, and carefully remove the serpentine belt from around the compressor pulley. With the belt off, you can now disconnect the electrical connector and the two refrigerant lines from the old compressor. Be prepared for any residual refrigerant. Next, unbolt the old compressor from its mounting brackets. There are typically 3 or 4 bolts holding it in place. Carefully remove the old unit. When installing the new compressor, always use new O-rings on the refrigerant lines to ensure a proper, leak-free seal. Bolt the new compressor securely into position. Almost done, reconnect the serpentine belt, making sure it's properly routed and tensioned. This is vital for all accessories. Next, it's absolutely critical to evacuate the AC system using a vacuum pump for at least 30 minutes. This removes all moisture and air. Finally, recharge the system with the specified amount of R134A refrigerant, typically around 1.5 pounds, and then test your newly installed AC compressor for proper operation and cold air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.